Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into battle between two productivity giants. So we have Monday.com versus ClickUp. If you're managing a team and planning projects or just, trying to stay organized, these platforms probably popped up in your search, but which one is right for you in 2025? So let's break it down. So, first let's talk basics. So Monday.com is a, work operating system focused on visual and project management with tons of templates and also, automations integrations, while ClickUp on the other end is, known for its ultra customizability and all-in-one approach, docs, task, and time tracking goals, and more. So let's move on to our UI. So we're gonna compare their UI here. But first, we need to get started on Monday.com and also in ClickUp. Well, good thing I already have my account here. So we're just going to sign them both using our Google account, or you can just use your regular email if you want to. But as you see here, Monday will ask you what brings you here today. So let's say I'm a freelancer, work. Let's say IT, continue. Then let's go CRM. I mean, like goals, software development, review site. There we go. So we're going to compare their UI and stuff like that. So we're just gonna skip this one. So first things first, let's start with ClickUp's UI. So ClickUp can feel overwhelming. As you see here, there's a lot of things here. So it can feel a little bit overwhelming at first, but offers, a deeper customization and modular views like list, board, Gantt, and even mind maps, which is pretty cool. And, also Monday.com right here. It's not done customizing. Oh my god, okay. So my team name is gonna be up, up, up. Why not? Let's go. Next. Next. We're just gonna skip this. So, I see here, Monday.com has cleaner, more visual interface with color-coded boards and timelines, so it's great for beginners. Now, my best UI here, like what I thought is much better here, is with Monday.com for simplicity, and ClickUp for power users if that is really important to you. Now, let's focus for our features comparison. So task management, both are great, but ClickUp lets you go deeper and with nested subtasks, custom fields, and dependencies. Now, automation, I would go with Monday.com. So, Monday.com has easy to set up automations. ClickUp automations are more complex but very powerful. So, docs and wikis, ClickUp has a built-in doc system. And Monday offer this too, but ClickUp feels more integrated. Like this feels really good, much better. Now, time tracking is native in ClickUp, but if you want to have time tracking on Monday.dev, you do need integration unless you're on higher plans. Now let's talk about pricing. So both of these platforms do have free plans, but Monday, free tier is limited to two users, and ClickUp's free plan is generous with unlimited tasks and members, but some features are lacked. So paid plans start around $8 to $10 user for both, but ClickUp, typically gives more value at lower tiers. Now let's go with our use cases on these two platforms. So choose Monday.com if you want visual, easy to use tool for managing marketing, operation, or sales pipeline, or choose ClickUp if you need more customization and want to replace multiple tools like Docs, Notion, Trello, and Asana in one. So conclusion here. So who wins? If you want more polished visual tool with plug and play simplicity, go with Monday.com. But if you want raw power or flexibility all in one workspace, go with ClickUp is the better bet here. So either way, you can go wrong with both of this. So it's pretty good. But you know which one fits your workflow the best. So choose either one of that best use your use of the purpose you're trying to do. So if this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments below which one are you using. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.